Okay, folks, this is an emergency video here. We're talking about Dogecoin, baby. We're talking about what's going on with Dogecoin, right? And listen, in this video here, I want to talk about how to get rich quick with Dogecoin. Now, listen, if you haven't been watching the news, cryptocurrency is on fire right now. People are making money. And all I want to do is educate you. I'm going to show you. And then listen, this is this disclaimer here. I'm not an expert, okay? I am not a crypto master. I'm not a crypto guru here. But listen, when billionaires like this guy right here, okay? Hold on. Look. When billionaires like Mark Cuban, when he starts to tweet about cryptocurrency, Dogecoin, well, I got to get involved, okay? Mark Cuban right now is talking about the price. He tweeted earlier on how that this cryptocurrency may be doing some awesome stuff in the market here. Now, listen, let me educate you guys about Dogecoin and what it is and how it came about and why you should buy now. First, go ahead and smash the like button if you guys can hear me here, okay? Now, listen, I'm going to give you the brevity of the Dogecoin, okay? So, basically, this guy by the name of Billy Marcus, right? He was like, hey, he's like a software engineer. He said, hey, let's have some fun. Let's create this thing called Dogecoin, right? It's just like a joke. It wasn't even real. Like, Dogecoin is not backed by nothing. It was just a fun joke. But the crazy thing, because of Elon Musk and other billionaires like Mark Cuban, they started to tweet about it as a joke as well. Then all of a sudden, okay, Dogecoin becomes the number 3 top traded coin on the market right now, which a $50 billion cap, which is insane. Now, listen, let me give you the difference between Bitcoin and Dogecoin. Bitcoin, you got about 122 million coins that can be purchased. Dogecoin is unlimited. But listen, it's all conjecture, which means it's speculation that we don't know how high it's going to go. We don't know how low. And the question is this. It's the reason why you're watching this video. Wesley, can I become a millionaire right now with Dogecoin? Well, this guy did. Look at that. Exclusive. Dogecoin investor becomes millionaire after putting life savings. That's crazy. This guy right here, read the article here, right? This is Newsweek. A 33-year-old Los Angeles resident, right? He drops $188,000 of his life savings in February with Dogecoin, right? And now, drum roll, please. He has over $1 million, okay? $1.8 million from 2 months. This guy's ecstatic. Like, the question is this. How would you feel if you dropped a couple of dollars in Dogecoin and all of a sudden you became a multimillionaire? Now, listen, I'm not telling you to drop your savings. I'm not telling you to do anything. But what I want to do is, in this video, I'm going to give you some free stock, and I want to show you how to purchase it. I'm like this when it comes to the cryptocurrency. I am not really educated, but, I just keep hearing all these blogs, these posts, and when people like Mark Cuban start to get involved, that means Wesley $1 billion Virgin got to get involved as well, because I follow billionaires because, well, I am Wesley $1 billion Virgin, right? So listen, let me show you something here. This is my Dogecoin right here. As you can see, I purchased for $1,000, and in the link below, you can actually get Dogecoin right now at Robinhood, okay? It allows you to buy it right now, and if you want to use my link below, you don't have to, but it would give you some free stock. If you want free stock, and yes, it's true. Let me show you proof. Look here, I got free stock all day. Claim your free stock. Free stock, right? I get free stock all day long. And basically, this is a live trading with Dogecoin, okay? Is that amazing right now? I dumped, like, to be honest with you, I wanted to buy 5,000, but I had to transfer money to Robinhood, right? And I put about 3,000, but it gave me 1,000 to invest. And the price of Dogecoin has been fluctuating. But listen, I want to teach you something about investing, okay? You have to learn to invest objectively. which means you have to take your feelings and emotions out of it. Let me show you how I invest, okay? Listen, I'm not trying to be a millionaire in the cryptocurrency market because I'm already rich. I'm already making millions of dollars doing other things on the internet. But listen, this is how I treat the market, and this is what I suggest you do as well, so you'll start to make money and see money actually pile into your bank account instead of waiting for a home run. When this hit $2,000, I'm going to sell. Does that make sense? When I hit $2,000, I'm selling. And I'm going to buy again. And if I make another 1,000, I'm going to sell. Right? Listen. A lot of you're not rich. Okay? You don't have a ton of money. Like you're not going to dump your life savings like this guy right here did. And he became a millionaire. Like he did. He became the first millionaire by investing $100,000, and now he has 1.8 million. We all not like that. Like, I'm not going to do that. Absolutely not. Right? He took a chance. But listen, if you want to be smart, what you do is you put a small amount, because right now Dogecoin is at, I think, like, how much is it at? I think $30, I believe. I'm sorry, 30 cents. You get yourself $100, you invest. Okay? Now listen. This is going to be powerful here. Share this out to your friends, because this is what I do as an investor, okay? And you don't have to be that educated when it comes to investing to make money. But this is how you become an investor to the point that you're not emotional, okay? You don't want to be emotional, which means you need to have a goal. So my goal is to hit 2,000. As soon as I hit 2K, I'm going to sell. And I don't care if it hit $30 or $40. No. The thing is, you have to have a goal, okay? It's important in investing money on the stock market or in the cryptocurrency. So if I had $100, I would buy for $100 right now. You can use my link, and I will give you some free stocks as well. Okay? Are you guys with me? Smash the like button if you can hear me. Okay? Smash it twice if you can smell me, and I smell good, baby. Listen. So you see that number going up? So I just made $100. Then I may lose $5. Then listen, you take $100, okay? You can click my link, or you can just go to Robinhood.com. It's up to you, okay? Spend $100. Whatever your goal is, this is how you quit your job. It's all about small gains, not about the big home run stuff. Every once in a while, you'll get a home run like this guy here, all right? But a lot of you don't have $100,000 just to play in a market like that. This guy took a risk, okay? He's from California. That's what they do in Los Angeles. They don't care. They take risks all day, okay? They're ambitious people, okay? Listen, you take $100, okay? You invest right now. I have the link below, wesleyvirgin.com/free stocks, free-stocks. That's if you want free stocks. If you don't want free stocks, don't click the link, okay? And then, say if your goal is just to make $50. So you put $100 in. As soon as you see that ticker hit $150, you sell. Does that make sense? You sell. Okay? And as a matter of fact, let me show you something. Look, if we go to CoinDesk right now, let's go to CoinDesk. This is where all the cryptocurrency is. Where's my crypto? I want to teach you guys something about investing here. Where's Dogecoin? Hold on. See that? It's 30 cents. Everybody that's listening to me right now can afford this. Okay? Smash the like button if you can afford this. Okay? Be honest with you, I wish I would have did it last year. I just had no clue about it, and I wasn't really focused in the cryptocurrency. Even now I'm not focused. But when Mark Cuban started talking about it, this guy here, he owns the Dallas Mavericks, and he's worth $4.1 billion. And this is his tweet. Look, Mav sales in Dogecoin have increased 550% over the past month. We have now sold more than 122,000 of Doge and merchandise. Okay, so listen, we will never sell one single Doge ever. So keep buying. That's Mark Cuban. Okay, that's not Wesley Virgin. That's Mark Cuban saying that. So since Mark Cuban said that, and I'm model billionaire, that's what I do. I'm already a millionaire now. I have to make my billions now, right? So I need to model a billionaire. So this is what I'm gonna do, and this is what I suggest you do. You spend $100. Okay. You use the link below, get some free stocks as well. It's going to take you to this platform. And as soon as you make $50, you got to have a daily goal, or you have a goal. It got to be a small goal. If you got if you could do $1,000, that's good. Just say, look, I invested $1,000. I could sell right now. I can make $100 and I can go back again and I can buy again. And the great thing about the crypto market, it's open all day, all night long. It's not like the stock market. Okay. No cutoff time. You can trade all night, all day, as long as you want. I mean, you can buy and sell and buy and sell. That's the great thing about the crypto market. Does that make sense? Okay. So if I was you, take $100. How many of you got $100? I'm trying to mentor you right now. I'm trying to get you rich. Okay. You become wealthy by making a little money first. Okay. Day by day. If you can make $100 a day, say if you had 1,000, that's $3,000 a month. Now listen, it's a risk. Obviously, it's all conjecture. It's speculation. Right now, it's at 50 billion of circulating. Like right now, over 10,000 Dogecoins per minute is being created. But listen, you're going to have a bunch of people and they can dump it, right? They can dump it. Price goes down immediately. It can happen. So it's a risk. But what I'm saying is this. Since you don't have a ton of money and you're trying to create some money, you use the little money you have, you make some profit, you sell, you buy again. Does that make sense? That's what wealthy people do. What do you think? Listen, what do you think the people like Elon Musk that have billions of this stuff, and you have 12 people that own 50% of the market when it comes to a Dogecoin right now, they got a couple of billion of this coin right now, they'll dump it, right? They'll make a ton of money. And they do it again, right? It's based off of supply and demand, period. But the great thing about Dogecoin is it's no limit, actually. It's no cap, right? So you just never know what can happen. But listen, what I'm trying to teach you guys is how to do this. And even though you're not like a Mark Cuban or Elon Musk, who would probably have insider information about what's going on, when it's going to drop, you can start small. Listen. Your first goal is to leave your job. Can I get an amen? I mean, seriously, your first goal. You know, when people say, well, Wesley, I want to make $1 million a month. Wesley, I want to make $50 million a month. I say, hey, first make $5,000 a month. Because at your job, you're not even making $3,000. Some of you are not even making $5,000 in life. So listen, your first goal is to quit your job so you can do this full time if you choose to. Does that make sense? Right? It's okay to think big, but I want you to be smart and I want you to be intellectual about this. Do what Wesley Virgin is doing, okay? I'm rich. I could spend more money. I wish I could, but I put $3,000 in there, but I have to wait till Monday till everything cleared through the freaking platform here, okay? So what I'm going to do personally, I put 1,000. Once I make 1,000, and that, which means is on Monday morning, listen guys, on Monday morning, I'm going to invest $3,000 more dollars. I'll do another video just for you. Okay. I'm going to invest $3,000 more dollars. My goal is just to hit $1,000 a day until it crash. Cause it's going to crash. It's going to correct. It's just how it is. It's going to correct. Okay. I'm just letting you know, make the money right now. Does that make sense? You'll teach yourself how to be an investor and not to be an emotional investor. Okay. That's why in the link, if you look right below this video, it is a link that says wesleyvirgin.com/free stocks, free-stocks. Click it, get the account right now. You'll get free stocks. You'll get an email just like this. You'll get some free stocks. You invest $1,000, $100, $500, some money that you really don't care about. You take that $500 and you make it, and you invest to the point that you make $5,000. Does that make sense? Okay. Is that cool? Did I educate you guys? If you got massive value, go ahead and smash the like button. I'm just showing what I'm doing here. You know, the money just fluctuating. And don't worry, I ain't lost nothing yet. I invested $1,000. I'm up $50. All praises to the Most High. God is the greatest. Listen, the key in investing is this. The key is to win more than you lose, period. Okay? That's just the key. To win more than you lose. You're going to lose sometime, but the key is to win more than you lose. Does that make sense? Okay. So in the description below, if you want free stocks, go there. If not, just go to Robinhood, go to the platform, Put as much money as you can lose right now in the platform. And remember, have daily goals. This is the key. I swear to God, this is like the key to wealth. Just have daily goals. If your goal is to make $50 a week or $50 a day, invest accordingly, okay? Because right now, this coin, I don't know what it's going to do. You know, some investors say it may go to $1, some say 500. But during that time period, let's make it a couple $1,000 so we can leave that job. Does that make sense? Okay. Hey, I love you guys so much. Go ahead and smash the like button. And also comment below if this made perfect sense. Sub to the channel as well. And tell Wesley Virgin that you love him to life. And I will keep making videos for you right now. This is Wesley, $1 billion Virgin. Let's go! Motivated, dedicated, let go.